So the Olivera Wilson carpentry team, we buy a perfectly good piece of furniture and then we cut it in half. This is the cut. We're using the number 8 tools. Unblock it. Set the depth just a little bit deeper than what we've got, Fab.
And depth working, yeah. Precision cutting.
Yeah. Is it deep enough to go through one hit?
Fabio is ready to do some hardcore DIY. He's got his breathing apparatus ready to enter the challenge. Looks like he's going to apocalyptic times. Meanwhile, Bruce is in jandals, and so is Carly. Even Marco is doing the DIY. He's ready. The preparation is underway. Take 2, just on the bottom.